Hello everyone, super thrilled to welcome you all to the Vettery's Joy of Gifting sale, Brass Edit. Vettery, your favorite gifting brand, has a huge collection of brass gifts. Starting from a price range of 100 rupees going up to 1 lakh rupees, we have a wide collection in brass diya, brass idols and figurines. We have different sizes available in brass urli. We have beautiful wall hanging frames and wall hangings that you can take. And finally, a huge collection in brass utility gifts. I'm now at our Chennai store and I thought I will quickly walk you through different products that we have here. All our other stores at Hyderabad and Bengaluru have similar collection, or you can order online to pick any of these brass gifts. Vettery's Joy of Gifting sale Brass Edit is now live, where you can avail flat 15% discount until 30th April. Don't miss this opportunity to stack up beautiful brass gifts if you have an event lined up. Also, do share this video with your friends and family if you think that will be of interest. Now, let me quickly show you some of the products that we have at our Chennai store. First, let me show you Deep Lakshmi or the Pavai Velakku as traditionally known. This one comes with brown antique finish. Look at the two designs, looks massive. Keep this at the entrance of your home and I'm sure it will perk up the space. We have different styles of Velakku in Ganesha, Lakshmi, and then we have this lightweight collection. We have different types of idols and figurines available with us. We can also customize all this based on your preference. We've set this up in a beautiful padi, but again, you can take this as a standalone piece as well. Next, we have the Ram Lalla here, completely made of brass but has been given a black polishing to make it look exactly like Ayodhya Ram Lalla. We also have Tirupati Balaji. The one that you're seeing here comes with a height of 32 inches, but we also have bigger size Tirupati Balaji both at our Chennai store, Bangalore and Hyderabad store. Then we have the traditionally hand-edged Velakku, where we have Lakshmi motif on the top. We can also customize this with Ganesha, Annapakshi or Parai based on your preference. And in front of that, we have kept a very classy and elegant elephant urli. Next, we have the Krishna along with Kalpavriksham tree. A fusion product, looks very, very classy. And look at this one, my personal favorite, a Dasavataram urli. Quite a big size. This shows the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu with Shankh and Chakra and Tirupati Balaji in the center. This one is completely made with tile work. The color combination makes it look very, very vibrant. Look at this very classy Natarajar that comes with tile work, a vibrant piece. We've also kept two Annapakshi diya in the front. This has two types of diyas, one with 5 faces and the other one where you can light up a single face. Next, we have a solid brass elephant here. Looks very, very stunning, gigantic, something that you can place at the entrance of your home. Next, we have a product that was completely curated at Vettery, a Dasavataram in brass in a Om frame. Again, very, very unique, something that we introduced long back and people have shown amazing love for that. Next, we have our Krishna collection here. We have Krishna with a cow and we have different sizes available here. This one is a very unique Krishna. Again, people love this because of the finish it is. And then we have a Krishna urli here. My personal favorite, looks beautiful and majestic to be placed at the entrance of your home or even your office. This urli is quite big. There is also a diya and the tile work makes it look very, very vibrant. Then we have a swinging Ganesha here. Looks adorable for a housewarming, a perfect choice of gift. This Ganesha is indeed a very unique one. Comes in a combination of antique polishing and brown paint work. This is a solid piece. Again, looks very different and not the traditional Ganesha. We also have a Radha Krishna with Kalpavriksham. Again, a very different product. A super product that you can own for your home. We have Tirupati Balaji in bigger size. Here we have the Ganesha urli. Look at this stunning masterpiece. Carved to perfection. This one comes with 5 Ganesha in the front holding different musical instrument and a Ganesha on the top with beautiful floral engraving work done all throughout. Here we have a wide collection of brass wall hanging gifts starting with Kalpavriksham. We have Dasavataram and Ashtalakshmi panels available. We have beautiful diyas and Ganesha diya that you can place at the entrance of your home. You can come and take a look at this entire wall hanging collection. Next, we have different types of diya set up here, starting with a very small diya that comes with a lid. We have beautiful Shankh and Chakra diya, looks very, very adorable. Look at this beautiful Ganesha diya, comes with very good depth. We have Kerala diyas here. We have hand-etched diya, a housewarming function. You have a budget of anywhere between 900 going up to 1500 rupees. These are definitely something that you can consider. We also have wide collection of Aarti diyas available with us. Again, a great premium return gift option that you can consider. Here we have the entire idols and figurines. We have different sizes available. Look at this very classy Buddha in a sitting pattern. We have beautiful Balaji here. We have Ram Darbar set. We have Ganesha, Lakshmi Ganesha, Saraswati together and so on. The next rack has slightly bigger size brass figurines. On this shelf, we have the Urli collection starting with a small size of 5 inch, a great premium return gift that you can consider. We have 8 inches, 10 inches and so on. We have Urlis that come in both plain finish and hammered finish. Other than that, we also have this very classy elephant Urli that comes with tile work and bells. And finally here we have the lightweight collection. All this looks very, very stunning. Comes at a very affordable rate, done with wax casting and hence comes with a lot of precision. All these idols can be kept in your puja mandir or a great choice of gift to be given to your loved ones. I just did a quick walkthrough of what we have at our Chennai store. We have similar type of products available at all our other 3 stores in Hyderabad, HSR layout in Bengaluru and Jayanagar in Bengaluru. All these products are available at flat 15% discount as part of Joy of Gifting sale, Brass Edit. The sale is on right now and will be applicable until 30th of April. Go ahead and shop for all our beautiful brass collection on our website www.vetri.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.